With the introduction of the Galaxy S24 series approaching, Samsung is preparing for the conclusion of a year full of rumors and leaks. A new report indicates that, contrary to previous leaks suggesting satellite connectivity for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, this feature is unlikely to be present, differentiating it from the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event is reportedly scheduled for mid-January, and 3 models, the Samsung Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra, are anticipated. According to a report from IT News, there have been continuous speculations about satellite connectivity being added to the Galaxy S series since last year, but the intended release of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is scheduled to occur sooner than anticipated, which will result in the deletion of this feature. It was not included in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. While there was hope that the next Galaxy S24 Ultra will include this feature, the anticipated satellite connectivity feature on the Galaxy S24 Ultra was designed to function similarly to an emergency SOS via satellite, therefore the likelihood of its inclusion seems to be quite low, according to the report. Users may be able to contact emergency services using this feature in an emergency, especially if normal network connectivity isn't available. According to rumors, the soon-to-be flagship smartphone from Samsung, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, may have a titanium frame, matching the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max's construction. Upcoming upgrades might also include an improved 50MP5X telephoto camera, a more sophisticated CPU, and a flatter screen. The flagship smartphone might be available in 4 different color combinations, according to the report: titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow. A 6.8-inch QHD Plus display with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz is also anticipated. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.